Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to create to-do list using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So in previous video we made this calculator app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript without knowing those languages. So I created this to-do list app which looks like this code, and this is the code for it. This is the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code for it, and we can also change the dark mode and the light mode using these two buttons. So let's go to ChatGPT and let's create new chat, and let's write a prompt for a to-do list app or to-do list website. So hey ChatGPT, write me. So if I hit enter, it will generate all the code for me. So in previous video I told you, if you give a prompt like this, there will be error, but if code is small for all the languages, then it will be in one piece. But if it is not, then we have to make all the things in the separate files. Like we have to give prompt like write for HTML, then write for CSS, and then write for JavaScript. You already know all these things in calculator app, so this is how it is gonna work. I think it will write in one structure. So if it is not working, then we can write it again in separate files. So as you can see, our output is over here. Like first one is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I think JavaScript code is not finished yet, so we have to finish it again. So before we do that, let's go to CodePen and copy the HTML as well as the CSS code for it, for our to-do list. And as you can see, to-do list, and where we can add task like this, but we didn't have any JavaScript yet, so we have to add that JavaScript, but it is not finished yet, so or it is finished. So let me copy this code and let me paste it over here, so then we can see it is finished or not. Okay, so there is option called add task. I will add. Okay, it is finished, and we can add multiple tasks, and we can delete them by clicking on this red cross. So this is how it is our to-do list is gonna look, but we can make it look like WhatsApp or Discord or Snapchat or even like ChatGPT. So we can give the command like make it look like, I guess it is writing everything from the beginning. So let's see, we just have to copy paste, so we don't have to write whole code in this CSS, JavaScript and HTML like other programmers. So we are ahead of them, kind of ahead of them. I think CSS code will be huge, so I don't. Okay, it gave us the whole CSS code. I was worried because ChatGPT always stop in the middle. So let me copy those code again, and JavaScript code is I think over here, and it is totally done. Okay, so paste. So as you can see, it kind of looks like WhatsApp. So let's add some tasks, plus button. Okay, so it is task is adding in the upward direction. The functionality is same. If you click on the any task, it will cross the task, but if you click on the red, if you click on this red cross sign, it will delete the task. So this is how our app or website is gonna look, the to-do list app. So that's how you can create to-do list app using ChatGPT without knowing any programming languages. So if you want, you can add a dark mode, light mode like this one, but you have to know little bit CSS and JavaScript or HTML. It will generate code, but you have to know where you should paste those code. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.